In this episode, we meet Leora Kim, who shapes landscapes by sculpting soundscapes from everyday objects. From a childhood obsession with household clutter, she learned to hear frequencies others miss, turning jars and cans into orchestral textures. In a candid interview, Leora explains hours of experiments, mentor feedback, and late nights recording in a makeshift studio. Experts praise her curiosity, while friends attest to her relentless practice, discipline, and willingness to share her method. Her journey proves passion compounds talent when curiosity meets craft, inviting viewers to listen closely to the art hidden in the ordinary.